using the Auto Darkening Filter, ADF. Before use. Prior to fitting and/or using the Auto Darkening Filter, please check the following. The external filter glass or cover lens is fitted correctly. The internal filter glass or cover lens is fitted correctly. The internal Auto Darkening Filter retaining frame is fitted correctly and secure. The battery contained in the Auto Darkening Filter is working. Inspect all parts for signs of wear or damage. Any scratched or cracked parts should be replaced prior to use. Switching on the filter. The solar unit automatically switches on when exposed to light. Press any button to check if the lens is working correctly, and to begin mode and info adjustments. Shade control. Use the M button to change the mode indicator to shade. The LED screen will display the current shade number. Adjust the shade number using the plus to increase and minus to decrease. Alternatively, the shade range can be toggled between 5 to 8 and 9 to 14. Toggle by pressing and holding the M and plus button or M and minus button. Use the plus to increase or minus to decrease to desired shade. Due to the varying welding types and current intensity, the wearer should choose a shade that allows them to see the arc clearly and is comfortable to the eyes. Delay control. Delay time can be adjusted from 1 to 9, 0.1 to 0.9 seconds. Use the M button to change the mode indicator to delay. The LED screen will display the current setting. Adjust accordingly, using the plus to increase and minus to decrease delay time. Lens sensitivity control. Sensitivity is used to adjust the filter to different light levels in various welding processes. It may be necessary to adjust helmet sensitivity to accommodate different light conditions, or if filter darkness is flashing on and off. Adjust the welding filter sensitivity as shown. Use the M button to change the mode indicator to sensitivity. The sensitivity can be adjusted from 1 to 9. The higher the number, the higher the sensitivity. The LED screen will display the current sensitivity setting. Decrease the sensitivity using the minus button to the lowest setting. Face the helmet in the direction of use, exposing it to the surrounding light conditions. Gradually adjust the sensitivity by using the increasing plus setting. The helmet is ready for use. Slight readjustment may be necessary for certain applications or if filter is flashing on and off. Grind mode. The LED screen indicator displays the current mode selected. Use the M button to change the mode indicator to grind as shown. Alternatively, the quick access grind button can be used to toggle the lens between grind and non-grind mode as shown. The LED screen will display the current sensitivity setting. Low power indicator. The red LED flashes every 3 seconds when the battery power is low. To continue using the filter, the batteries must be replaced.